Scots were hae wi' Wallace bled, Scots one Bruce has often led. Welcome to your gory bed, or to victory. Now's the day and now's the hour, see the front of battle lower, see approach proud Edward's power, chains and slavery. Wha will be a traitor knave, wha can fill a coward's grave, wha sae base as be a slave, traitors coward turn and flee. Wha for Scotland's king and law, freedom's sword will strongly draw, free man stand or free man fall, Caledonian on wi' me. By oppression's woes and pains, by your sons in servile chains, we will drain our dearest veins, but they shall be free. Lay the proud usurpers low, tyrants fall in every foe, liberty's in every blow, forward let us do a deed.